Hello guys, in this section I will talk about about the relationship of EK diagram and effective mass and Dams velocity based on EK diagram of three-dimension crystals. This picture is especially silicon's EK diagram of three-dimension crystals. The y-axis is an energy and x-axis is a wave vector k. As we learned last section, this line is the edge of valence band, and this line is an edge of conduction band. And the two bands, the difference of two bands, we can call energy gap. If the electron gets some energy, it can jump up to conduction band from valence band. Then the electron goes not here, but in here. The electron move in this direction of vector. So there is some loss of momentum. Delta K is some loss of the size. So in this case, we can call this about indirection energy band, indirection band gap. We can get more deeply about this valence band today. We can get this picture to like this. There is two different graph in valence band. One is more curvative and one is less curvative. If the curvative is more deeper, then the mass is more smaller. We can get curvative from the differential of EK diagram. So this line HL is more higher, get some higher curvative than group H. This means curvative, higher, less. And if the curvative is higher, then the effective mass is more smaller, and this H line mass is more higher. If this is very important knowledge. If the mass is more smaller, and if they get some same force, then the smaller mass velocity is more faster. Carrier goes faster. Then is group L's electron's velocity is more faster than group H. Velocity is faster. Velocity is lower. Then we can know about these two kinds kinds of graph velocity, electrons velocity. There is some problem of part of this diagram. In this part, there is some coexistence about the higher electron velocity and lower electron velocity. So we can change atomic structure. We can change atomic structure to like this, to add some germanium to silicon. We can change atomic structure. We can change the silicon's atomic structure to adding some germanium atomic. Then the velocity is more higher because the heavier line, the lower velocity line can move like this one, and there is no coexistence of these two graphs. So each velocity graph can make some highest efficient velocity. So in this technology, we have to study about it, and in the future we have to develop about this logic of